Today I will show you how to remove pubic hair at home naturally with home remedy. For this recipe we will need sugar, lemon juice, water. Take 2 cups sugar in a pan. Add 1/4 cup water. One-4 cup lemon juice. And mix them. Heat the mixture few minutes. Pour the mixture into an airtight container. And let cool at room temperature. Wash your bikini area with antibacterial soap and dry the area. Then apply the wax your bikini area. Remove the wax. Repeat the process on another section of bikini hair until the area is smooth. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.